Imagine cloning a $930 million company with zero upfront cost. Sounds implausible, right? If you've dived into countless side hustles without success or struggled with indecision, you're not alone. But today's video will show you a complete blueprint to clone Weave Communications' $930 million SaaS model, leveraging white label software. You'll get a ready-to-go website and tools matching this model for as low as $97 a month. The best part? You don't need any tech skills or prior experience. I'm just going to show you how you can take this system and run with it. So let's jump into exactly how it all works. I'm going to show you a business worth nearly $1 billion that we can clone for free, even if you don't have any prior marketing experience or any tech skills. I'm going to show you everything right here in this video. So the business that we're going to be looking at here is a business called Weave Communications, and they are a software platform. I'm going to show you guys exactly what they do, the price points, and then exactly how to clone them. But I just want to kind of show you guys that they are worth $0.93 billion. So they are a public company, which means they're worth roughly $930 million. So they are a massive company, proven product, proven service, proven offer, where we don't want to go through and just try to start something new. We want to go through and model what already works. So if we come over here to their website right here, we can see some of the different products that they offer and then also the industries that they offer it to. But before we do that, I want to just show you their simple business model. So what they do is they work with small local business owners. So think about a dentist, orthodontist, real estate agent. I'll get to that more here in a second. And they just offer simple software solutions that are very simple and easy to set up, which I'll also show you guys here in a second. And then they get paid a monthly fee for usage of the software. So think about it like Netflix. You pay Netflix $20 or $25 or whatever it costs these days to have access to the Netflix platform. But as soon as you stop paying Netflix, you stop getting access to the software, right? Where this is the same exact business model, but we are helping these small local businesses with their marketing, helping them get more clients for their business. You can pop up their website and see all the different industries that they work with. But then if we come over here to products, what they actually offer to these customers. So they offer them phones, they offer them online scheduling, reviews, call intelligence, team chat, texting, reminders, billing, and payments. And you might be looking at this and thinking, Jason, I don't know how to code. I don't have any tech skills. I don't know any developers. Plus, I don't have the budget to go through and hire developers to code out a platform like this. And don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how you can go through and make this happen because I, like you, have zero technical skills. I don't know how to code, and I can still go through and make this happen by white labeling a pre-built, pre-existing software that offers all of these same exact features. Now, if you try to go through and see how much they charge per plan, they actually have it hidden. You have to actually go through and jump on a call. I went through and did that. But in my past research that I've done on this business, I know that they charge anywhere from $300 to $500 per month per client. And if we look at this, they have a really nice professionally designed website, which they should because they are basically a billion-dollar company. So what I did for you to make this even simpler is I had a pre-built professionally designed website completely done for you with all the products, the pricing, everything. So reviews, messaging, web chat, payments, all the different products and service that Weave offers, that I'm just going to give you guys this website template 100% for free. Like I said, if you just smash the like button, share this video with a friend, and then drop a comment down below once you've done that, and I'll share with you the private link to get my step-by-step course 100% for free. This website template so you can have your business up off the ground running as soon as possible, and a free live boot camp so you can get this all set up the right way. So if you guys want this website template and everything else that I talked about, just go ahead, smash the like button, share this video with a friend, drop a comment down below, and I will share with you guys the private link. So now that we have this website all set up, what we want to do is we want to white label a pre-built, pre-existing software platform just like this. And what white labeling means that you're taking a software that's already pre-built, pre-coded, so you don't have to go through and hire any expensive developers. You don't have to have any tech skills or anything like that. And you're just going to put your own logo on it, connect your own domain up here, and then also the cool thing is you can connect your own payment processor that is connected directly with your bank. And so when you charge $300 per month per client, you get to keep all $300 per month per client. So if you go through and you bring on 10 clients at $300 per month, That's $3,000 per month in monthly recurring income. 100 clients, $30,000. And you can see how this is a very lucrative business. And the crazy thing is this software, not only do I have an extended 30-day free trial inside of my free course for access to the software, but plans start as low as $97 per month. And for just $297 per month, you can bring on as many clients as you want and charge them whatever you want. And the company, this software platform, takes zero commission splits. You get to keep 100% of the revenue of whatever you're making selling to these small local business owners, which honestly, that absolutely blows my mind because all you have to pay is $300 per month and you could be making $30,000 per month with very, very nice profit margins. And you can see this software does pretty much everything that you need to do. It has websites, it has automations, marketing, membership areas, review automation. And all we have to do to clone it is we'll come over here to this different part of the software, and I'll just move my head real quick so you guys can see this. But what we can do is we can set whatever price points we want, charge on a monthly basis, an annual basis. And then if we come over here to edit details, we can click on this and choose what features we want to offer in each plan. So like on Weave, they offer texting and phone numbers and payments. We can go through and offer the same thing, text to pay, missed call text back, reputation management, which is online reviews, two-way text conversations, web chat, CRM, which is basically a place for dentists, doctors, whoever you're working with, real estate agents, to manage all their contacts, all of their clients. You can see they've got websites, they've got funnels, blogs, whatever your clients might need, they have it. And you can come over here and set the pricing to be whatever you want it to be. And over here on this website template that I already have built out for you, I already have some pre-existing pricing plans with exactly what to offer in each pricing plan so that you have a nice jump start to getting this business off the ground. And inside my free course, I have sales scripts showing you exactly what to say when you're going to go through and sell these different services. And I show you a number of free ways to get your first clients and then how to fulfill for those clients, how to set up all these simple software services, which my favorite thing about these services, like the reviews, the messaging, the web chat widget, all these different things, it's a simple one-time setup. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes maybe to set them up. And then they're going to continue to add value to these small local business owners on a monthly ongoing basis. So they will want to continue to pay you the $300 to $500 per month every single month without you having to go through and create new Facebook ads or do SEO or write new blog posts or post new content to social media, which honestly takes a lot of hours and takes a lot of work. Whereas you can just leverage software, pre-built software with your own logo on it, on your own domain, still adding massive value to these small business owners with these simple services. So they're going to want to continue paying you on a monthly ongoing basis. So there you have it, a simple way to go through and start your own online business with no money, no experience. All we're going to do is just white label a pre-existing software that's already pre-built, pre-coded for you. And like I said, if you just smash the like button, share this video with a friend, and then drop a comment down below, I'll share with you a private link that will have my free step-by-step course, the website templates, plus a free extended 30-day free trial to that software. Normally, it's a 14-day free trial. I hook you up with an extended 30-day trial because I'm friends with the founders of the company. And then on top of that, you'll even be able to jump on a free live bootcamp to help you get the entire business set up and a free one-on-one kickoff call to make sure that everything is set up the right way. And then you just name your business whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. And then we're just cloning a proven business model like Weave that is $1 billion company where you can come in and grab a lot of market share because there are tens of millions of small local businesses that need assistance with their marketing to get more clients, get more customers, get more 5-star reviews, and a lot of these other automation services that the software offers. So anyway, I hope you guys like this. If you guys did, once again, just smash the like button, share this video with a friend, drop a comment down below once you've done that, and I'll share with you the private link to unlock everything 100% for free. And guys, no, there are no upsells. There's no hidden paywalls or anything like that. The course is free. The website templates are free. There's even a free 30-day extended
trial to the software, plus the free live boot camp, plus the free one-on-one kickoff call. So a lot of free stuff to help you in your journey to starting your own online business. So with that said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.